In Windows 11, when you click on the Start button, in the bottom right hand corner you simply have your power icon. But you can add a lot of extra very useful shortcuts in that region. So right click on the bottom and choose Start Settings. Then scroll down to where it says Folders. Click on that area. And then here we have our different options. So we can put a shortcut to Settings, to the File Explorer, Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Videos, and to the network. Personal folder actually links to all of these, but if you have other extra folders in there, like a OneDrive folder, etc., you can click on that as well. Now if we exit Settings and click on the Start button again, we can see all these additional shortcuts. Here's our Settings, File Explorer, Personal folder, Network, Videos, Pictures, Music, Downloads, and Documents.